Welcome to Talk with Tawny. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. We'll be popping in new videos every Tuesday. Last week we talked about how to make your own styling mat at home. And today is part 2 of the textured styling board. So I showed you how to make it, and I'm very happy with the results. This is kind of how it turned out. As you can see, very texturized. I did notice that you could kind of see it is curved a little bit, and when it was drying it was starting to curve. I did flatten it out. I put some weights on it overnight to dry, but this is kind of a little more curved than I'd liked it to be, probably because it was just a foam board. I'm sure if you use something like a piece of wood, or even if you purchase a dry erase board, would be a little more sturdier than this. But today we're going to go ahead and paint them. I have 2 different types of paint. This is a natural buff, and then this is going to be a matte white. I think I'm going to use both. This is a little gray for me. And these are acrylic paints. You could get them at your local craft store, very affordable. These were on sale for 30% off. They have so many different colors that you could use, which is so great. But today we're kind of going to use these 2 in combination. Okay, so here I have my board. I just kind of put the acrylic paints on a little piece of paper, plates. I also have my handy dandy paintbrush. And we're just going to go ahead and start with the white and just kind of take a little bit of the paint and just lightly start brushing it over the acrylic. You could always dilute colors too by using mixing in white with colors. Like if you only have a red and you want it to be pink, you could always get a little bit of white to dilute that. So I'm just going to continue to do this till it is done. Okay, so I did finish painting the board, and I noticed that the natural buff was a little too pink for me, so I did end up blending in the white with it to finish the coating. It is out to dry right now. If you learned something new today or just like the video, share with a friend, press that like button. Our business is based on referrals, and we'd love to connect with someone new. As always, stay creative and be legendary.